A silly day at the zoo. One sunny morning, something very silly happened at the zoo. The animals decided to switch places. The elephant wanted to swim like the penguins, and the monkeys wanted to roar like the lions. So, the elephant went to the penguin pool, and the penguins tried to stomp around like the elephant. The monkeys climbed up the lion hill and tried their best to roar. The zookeeper was surprised when he saw the animals all mixed up. He laughed and decided to let them have fun for a day. The day turned into a big, giggly mess. The elephant splashed in the water. The penguins tried to stomp, and the monkeys roared with funny sounds. Visitors at the zoo laughed too. They took pictures of the silly animals doing unexpected things. But as the sun started to set, the animals realized something important. They missed their own homes and their own ways of doing things. They all gathered together and decided to go back to their usual places. The elephant trumpeted happily, the penguins waddled back, and the monkeys swung from the trees.
The zookeeper smiled and thanked the animals for making everyone laugh. He told them that while it's fun to try new things, it's also important to be yourself. And so, the animals learned that even though trying new things can be silly and fun, it's also wonderful to be who you are. The end.